Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Daisy.
Daisy. Very nice. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
That's perfect. Daisy, tell me please, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Good. Give me a high five. Bam. We talk about clothes today, Daisy. And you tell me, what is it?
It's a red.
It's a dress. What color is it?
It's red.
Red. Very nice. What is it?
It's good.
It's a skirt. What color is it?
It's orange.
It's orange. Yes, I agree. Tell me, what is it?
It's a t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt. And what is it?
It's a shirt.
It's a shirt. Okay, tell me, what color is the t-shirt?
It's a purple.
Okay, it's pink. Okay? Alright. Tell me, what is it?
It's a jumper.
Jumper, very nice, Stacy. And what are they?
They are trousers.
They are trousers. What are they?
They are jeans.
Jeans, very nice. Tell me, what color are they?
They are blue.
They are blue, that's very nice. What are they?
They are socks.
Shorts. And what are they?
They are socks.
Socks. Tell me please, what color are the socks?
Orange.
They are
Orange and black.
orange and black, very good. Tell me, what are they?
They are shoes.
They are shoes, this is very good. And what are they?
They are slippers.
They are slippers, that's very nice. Okay, Daisy, let's talk about your clothes. Tell me please, what have you got?
I got a t-shirt.
T-shirt, yes. What color is your t-shirt?
It's blue.
It's blue. Okay, and what have you got here?
Yes.
Yes, what have you got? I've got
I forgot a skirt.
skirt. What color is it?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very nice. Give me a high five. Yes. Thank you very much. Goodbye, Daisy.
Goodbye, teacher.